We've recently changed the way you create alerts for the material you purchase and have done away with favorites. Now, if you'd like to receive an alert when material is listed, you'll need to create a By Product Line. To do so, navigate to the Product Line section from your homepage. You'll see I already have two By Product Lines, the B representing Intent to Buy. Let's walk through how to create a product line to receive selling opportunities. First, click Add New Product Line. On the next screen, make sure that the Sell Product Line option is selected. Then, work through the form and input your specs. When you've gotten to the bottom of the form and have inputted all of your specs, select Review and Confirm. If everything looks good, click Submit. Once submitted, you'll be taken back to your product lines page. Here is our new Sell product line, the S representing Intent to Sell. There are also some new capabilities for all product lines. Let's say that I'm currently not in the market to buy this Galvalume coil. I can turn off my notifications to stop myself from receiving any alerts. When I am back in the market for this coil, I can come back to my product lines page and turn the notifications back on. If I wanted to make any edits to this product line, let's say I want to edit the thickness or the width, I can do so by clicking Edit, inputting my changes, and saving them. From this product line, I could just click Create RFQ. Doing so will alert any sellers that may have what I need in their inventory and increase the chances the material can be sourced. Now, take a moment to log into the marketplace and review your own product lines.